Justice Philomena Mbete Mwilu is the Judicial Service Commission's pick for the position of Deputy Chief Justice. Justice Mwilu is a Court of Appeal judge who has served in the judiciary for 32 years. Mwilu's most memorable quote was a support for polygamy as long as there is peace in the family. She also assured the commissioners that she was the most suited to head the anti-corruption docket in the judiciary.
Philomena Mwilu carved an image of a humble yet firm member of the bench when she appeared before the JSC on Monday, October 3rd. She was keen to give the commissioners credit where it's due, particularly for making resolute decisions to implement the two-thirds gender rule in the judiciary, but did not shy away from pointing the loser ends.
In the magistracy, we are now 462. 232 are male, 230 are female. In the magistracy. In fact, that's like, it's more than 50-50. I think this is the opportunity for the JSC, with all humility, to give us 3 women in the Supreme Court.
Another shame of the judiciary is the menacing cartels that rule the corridors of justice, and Mwilu believes she is the best place to tame them if she is mandated to head the anti-graft portfolio in the judiciary.
Who creates these cartels?
So you are assuring the JSC that you deal with cartels?
I would.
And ensure that we have an independent judiciary?
Once you give me this opportunity, ask the CJ to give me that and I'll deal with it.
Being a Christian and more so a Catholic for that, she probably caught the commissioners by surprise, going completely against the current with her stand on the most controversial topic in the institution of marriage, polygamy or monogamy.
What are your thoughts on Article 45 with regard to how tenable polygamy is?
Christians, such as myself who are Catholic, will say you can't have 2 women. That's for my faith. The law says I can have 2 wives.
Undoubtedly, that must have endeared her to the Judicial Service Commissioners, more so because she proved capable of going against the selfish moral opinion of the society when caught between the hard place and a rock in matters eliciting emotional controversy like number of wives per man. Philomena Mbete Mwilu has served in the judiciary for 32 years, but admits she came from the most humble background, having been educated by the Catholic Church following the death of her biological father. She now joins nominee CJ David Maraga, awaiting parliamentary approval and eventual presidential appointment to take up office vacated by Karl Panorowal, who retired. Francis Mutegi, NTV.